afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government pass question. Question number 12 says a flexible constitution is one which dash. A flexible constitution is one which dash. And when we talk about flexible constitution in our government law, we say flexible constitution is easy. Or easy to amend or to change and option A say easily amended, B say popular with the legislatures, C say known to all the citizens, D says written by the parliament. So by this definition, option A is correct, which says easily amended. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.